Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video I am going to show you how to use our minimalist layout. Create or open a page on which you want to use our minimalist layout. Once the page is opened, click on Add Block option and search for Events. Add Event Shortcode block to your page. Under the Select Template setting, change the layout to Minimalist. Click on Publish or Update button and view the page. Now to change the layout style, you can change to any of the style given under Style setting. This is how you can use any style of the minimalist layout to show your events. Thanks for watching the video.